as a carryover, and 1 plus 1 gives you 2. So this is going to be your multiplication, 216. Okay, let's do another one. But this time I'm going to do a binary multiplication. Go ahead and multiply 10 by 11. Remember, the only important thing is that you have to shift one placeholder when you go to the next digit, when you are multiplying. Okay, if you got 110, you're right.
110.
Yeah, that's right. Let's see how you get 110. First, multiply this 1 by this 0, I get 0. Multiply this 1 by this 1, you get 1. If you notice, you can only multiply digits by either digit 1 or 0. So you either copy the top number or you make everything 0. So here, I just bring 10 down because I'm multiplying by 1. The same thing here. This is 1, so I'm going to bring 10 down, but it's going to be shifted one placeholder to left, so it becomes 10 here. Now, I'm going to add these. I get 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 comes down, so it becomes 110. Very simple multiplication of binary numbers, because you either multiply by 0 or 1. It's not like decimal, you multiply from 0 to 9. Okay, let's do another example. Let's say I ask you to multiply 110 by, let's say, 101. Multiply this one. Okay, TS got 4, 1, and then 0. Yeah, apparently everybody got the same thing. So, perfect. So let's try AA. The number you got is what? 11, comma, 11, 11, 11, 0. Oh. But let's see what the number is. First, I multiply by 1. So I just copy this number, 110. Then I multiply by 0. So I'm going to make 3 zeros, but shifted 1 to the left, because 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0. So that's why I have 3 zeros here. The next one is 1. So I just copy this one and then shift it to the left. So it's going to become 110. Now I'm going to add 0, 1, and this 1 plus 0 plus 0 gives me 1. 0 plus 1 gives me 1, and then 1. So the answer is 4 ones and then 0. Now, you may say, okay, how do I check it? It's very simple. Let's check this one. Remember, the numbers are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so forth. 110 is 2 plus 4, which is 6. 101, this number, is 1 plus 4, which is 5. Let's try this one. This one is 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So this 0 does not contribute anything, so let's add these numbers. 16 plus 8 is 24, plus 4 is 28, plus 2 is 30. And 6 times 5 gives you 30, which is correct. Any questions? No. Let's do another example. Let's say I ask you to do 1101 times 11. Tell me what you get now.
Are we thinking of them as binary numbers or just
Oh,
decimal?
yeah. I'm sorry. Everything you see here now is binary numbers.
100,111.
Yeah, 100. Yeah, 111. Exactly. Perfect. Yes, you can't have a 2 in binary numbers. You can't get 1, 2. Yeah, 100, 111. Okay, let's see how we do it. This one brings this guy down. So I'm going to write this one. This one is going to bring the same number down but shifted left. So I'm going to get 1011. Now I'm going to add them. 1 comes down, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. In binary, 2 is 10. So I'm going to say 0 and 1. Again, 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. In binary is 10. So 0 and 1 goes here, and then 1 comes down. So the answer is 100 and then 311, 3 ones. Now, let's check that in decimal. This number, remember, the numbers are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So the first one, 1101, is the same as 8 plus 4 plus 1, which is 13. 1 is the same as 2 plus 1, which is 3. 101 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Forget about these two zeros, so I get 32 plus 4 is 36 plus 2 is 38 plus 1 is 39. And 13 times 3 gives you 39. So our multiplication is correct. Any questions before the next example?
No.
No? Okay. Try this one now. 111 squared. Find 111 squared. 11301 is correct. Yep. Okay, the way we find 11 squared is the same as saying 111 times 111. This is the square. So to do multiplying, I'm going to bring 111 down because of this one. The next one is going to bring the same thing down but shifted left. And this one is going to bring again 111 down but shifted 1 to the left. So I have to add these 3 rows together. 1 comes down. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 in binary is 10. So 0 goes here, and then 1 is going to go as a carryover. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. 4 in binary is 100. This means 0 goes here, this 0. Then this 0 goes here, then this 1 goes to this column. Now, this column, 0 plus 1 plus 1 is 10, which is 2. So I'm going to write 0 here and 1 goes here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is going to give me 3. 3 in binary is 11. So it's 1 goes here and 1 goes here. So 1 comes down. It's going to be 11, 3 zeros, and 1. Are we clear? Or do you need more examples? More examples? Good. Let's give one more example. Oops. Try to do this one. 11 cubed. Find 11 cubed. So we have two different answers, 11011 or 1001. Okay, to do 11 cubed, I have to find 11 times 11 times 11 in binary. To do a multiple multiplication, I do it one by one. So I'm going to say 11 times 11. Let's do that. This means the first one, this one, is going to bring 11 down. The second one brings 11 down, but shifted to the left. So I get 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 in binary is 10. So this becomes 0 and then 1. 1 plus 1 again is 2. 2 in binary is 10. So 0 and then 1 and then 1 comes down. Now I have to multiply 1001 times 11 again. To do that one, again, this one brings 1000 down, 1001 down. This one brings another 1001 down, but shifted to the left. Now I'm going to add 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 down. So the answer is 11, 0, 11. Now, to check if the answer is correct, remember 11 in decimal is 3. So 3 times 3 times 3 is going to give me 27. Now let's see what this guy is. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. This 0 means 4 is gone. So 16 plus 8 is 24, plus 2, 26, plus 1, 27, which is correct. It gives us 27. You see the easier than you think screen.
Yes.
Okay, so go ahead and multiply 101 by 1000, please. Tell me which one is the answer. 101 three zeros, 101 three zeros. This one?
Yes.
Okay, let's check. Perfect. Do you want me to do the question on the, sorry, on the whiteboard?
No, I think we're fine. Oh, okay.
Oh, somebody says yes. Okay, let's do the question on the whiteboard. 101 times 1000.
Yes, now we see it.
Okay, so what number was it? 1000 times what?
101.
Okay, 1000 times 101. Okay, to do that one, this one is going to bring 1000 down. So it's going to be 1000. This 0 is going to make everything 0, but shifted left. 1, 2, 3, 4, because there are 4 digits here. This 1 is going to bring 1000 down. So 0, 0, 0, and 1. And now we're going to add all these numbers. This brings 0 down. This 2 zeros gives me 0. This 3 zeros gives me 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0 gives me 1. 0 plus 0 gives me 0. And then 1 comes down. So the answer is 101 three zeros. Let's check. 1000 is 8. 101 is going to be 1 and 4 is 5. Let's see this one. This is 1, 2, 4, 8, 6, 32. Sorry, this is 32. So the only thing which contributes is 32 and 8, which is going to be 40. 8 times 5 also gives you 40. Okay, go ahead. JIT has 111,001 dollars. He buys 11 in binary squirt guns for 10 each. How much money did JIT have left? Okay, is everybody okay with this question? Or do you want me to do it on board? Okay, let's see the answers. Do you see the answers?
Yes.
Okay, which one is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
4?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. You got it. Excellent job. Now, do you want me to do the last one, which is this one on the whiteboard?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. He buys, okay, so let me see. Hopefully you will see. Do you see my whiteboard now?
Yes.
Yes, we do.
Ah, beautiful. Okay, so let me erase everything and then start again. So I'm going to go to new project. Okay, so the question says, can somebody read me the question? How much money does he have at the beginning?
At the beginning.
11,1001.
11,1001. This is the money that he has. Now, he buys how many guns?
No,
Square?
there's one more one in the beginning. 111001.
Okay, beautiful. Now, and how many square guns he buys?
11.
11. And how much are they?
10, 10.
10, 10. Excellent. So first I have to find this multiplication. This one returns everything down. So it's going to be 10, 10. This one multiplied by everything is going to bring me 10, 10 down. And this one brings 10, 10 down, but is going to be shifted left one placeholder. Let's add. So I get 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Everybody okay so far? Okay.
Yes.
Excellent. Now I have to subtract this from this. So I'm going to say 11,001 minus 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 0 can be subtracted from 1, gives me 0, but this 1 cannot be subtracted from 0, so I borrow this 1 from this guy. This becomes 2. Still, I can't subtract 1 from 0, so I borrow 1 from this guy, and this guy becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 cannot be subtracted from 0, so this is going to become 0. This becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Again, 1 cannot be subtracted from 0, so this becomes 0. This becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 11,011. And if we go to here, 11,011 is the answer. Yep. So I assume everybody is okay.